In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Adobe Sign. Whether you've just had a name change or you simply want to correct a misspelling, updating your name in Adobe Sign is a straightforward process. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to access a web browser. You can do this using your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. With your web browser open, navigate your way to the Adobe Sign website. Simply type Adobe Sign into the search bar and click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to the Adobe Sign homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already set one up, ensure you have your Adobe ID handy as you'll need it to sign in. Input your credentials and you'll be brought to your account's dashboard. It's worth mentioning that ensuring you're on a secure network when entering sensitive information like login credentials is always a good idea. Now, after successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to the account management page. To do this, look for your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu. Select the option that guides you to Account Management. On the Account Management page, you'll want to pay close attention to the section labeled Account and Security. This is where all settings related to your account can be found. Within this section, there will be a subsection simply labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Account section, you should easily spot the option that allows you to change your account details. Look for the word Change next to your current account name. This is what you'll click next. After clicking on Change, a new window will appear. Here, you'll have the opportunity to update your first and last name as needed. Be thorough when you're typing in your new name, and make sure everything is spelled correctly before you proceed. This is crucial because this is how your name will appear in all future documents you sign. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, go ahead and click Save. This will apply the updated name to your Adobe Sign account. And there you have it. Your name in Adobe Sign has now been changed successfully. Remember, updating your name here doesn't change your Adobe ID, which may still reflect your old name. So if you need that changed as well, you'll need to do it separately. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.